Hey everyone, here to take you through the latest product from Redarc, their new TowPro Link. This is their Bluetooth brake controller that's going to change the game when it comes to towing your trailer around Australia. So first off, you have your brake controller. This is the physical unit that you will attach to the tow bar of your vehicle to control the electric brakes on your trailer. We have some zip ties for installation and running the provided cable, which will provide 12-volt power for your brake controller. Stainless steel zip ties. Now these are very important. These are what you can use to affix your brake controller to the tow bar of your vehicle. Lastly, the control unit. Now this is what makes it a wireless install. Using this allows you to have a mess-free installation in your vehicle's dash, so you're not having to modify anything. You have full control of your brake controller from the palm of your hand without any messy connections. You might be wondering what the benefit is to the brand new TowPro Link. I'm going to run you through those now. So firstly, having a wireless connection means you don't have to modify the dash or the interior of your vehicle. You don't have to run any wires through the internals, and makes the install a whole lot easier. By using their cable, you can run it straight from the battery to the rear of your vehicle, connects with a simple Deutsch plug to provide you with your power. When you connect your wiring from the TowPro Link into your trailer plug, that's where you get your brake signal and your brake output. Your wireless controller is what makes this system a whole lot easier to use inside your vehicle. Have simple displays with your manual override button, and you can adjust on the fly with a beautiful LED display to let you know of how much braking force you're using. Just going to take you through the installation of your TowPro Link into your existing trailer wiring. First, remove the red wire or pin 6 from your trailer plug. Secondly, if you already have a blue wire running to pin 5, we're going to remove this and tape it back to your harness. On your TowPro Link with your blue and your red wire, you install the red to pin 6 and the blue to pin 5. The last thing to do is to install the red wire that was originally in your trailer wiring into the diode of the brake controller. So you'll see here there's one section that allows you to feed your wire through. This will keep it waterproof. And into the diode, they're nice little flip open orange tabs that will allow you to feed your wire in, clamp down, and make it nice and secure. Now I'm going to take you through the installation of your brake unit to your tow bar. Start by attaching the mounting tape into the sections provided on the back of your brake controller. These will hold your controller in place while you secure it with the zip ties. So next, secure in place using the stainless steel zip ties provided. Just going to take you through installing the 12-volt wiring for your TowPro to your vehicle's battery. Always start with the negative terminal and secure. Next, we can move on to the positive. And then tighten. This should always be done after the rest of your TowPro is completely installed. So after plugging your unit into a USB socket and having it connected to a trailer, you will see the button will illuminate blue and green. This is your standard calibration mode and will turn solid blue after about 30 brake applications while driving. To secure your unit to the vehicle so it doesn't move, you're provided with reusable double-sided tape. This allows you to stick the unit down on your dash while you're towing so it cannot move anywhere. When you apply your foot on the brake, you can see your braking force up the top here illuminate. To increase that, simply press the plus button, and to decrease, simply press the minus button. In proportional mode, or blue, it's based on highway driving, up and down traffic lights, and will brake based on the inertia of your vehicle. For off-roading, you want to turn it into user control mode. So simply put your foot on the brake, press and hold the plus and minus button for 5 seconds, and your unit will turn green. This is now user controlled or time delayed and will brake based on your power response on your unit. When you're finished towing, simply remove your unit off your dash and stow away. We hope we've covered the basics on Redarc's brand new Bluetooth brake controller. If you would like to get one installed or have any further questions, please don't hesitate to give our team a call.